Hello and welcome to CAD Tutorials YouTube channel. Today in this video we will see how to create arcs. Okay, first we have to go to the sketch mode. Okay, you can find this arc option under this sketching group. There are usually 5 types of arcs: 3-point or tangent end, center and ends, 3-tangent, concentric, and conic. You will see one by one. First is 3-point or tangent end. For this arc, you need to specify 3 points. See 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, the first point and the second point are usually the end points of the arc, and the third point is actually lying along the arc. See, as I move the mouse cursor, you can see the arc moving, and when I click, the arc is created. So that's how this 3-point or tangent end works. Now the next one is the center and ends. For the center and ends, you need to specify its center and then its 2 endpoints. So first we select this center and then now its endpoints. See, did you notice what I do? First I selected the center and then both its endpoints. Now you see the next type. It is 3 tangent. Okay, for this I'm drawing some lines. Now this 3 tangent, I'm selecting all these 3 entities. See, now an arc is created. I'll do this once again. Okay, just by selecting the entities in different orders, you can also determine the directions in which the arc should be created. Now the next one is the concentric. So if you want to have a concentric, you should have already created an arc. So just by clicking this already created arc and drawing this concentric arc. For this concentric arc, again you must specify where is the start point and where is the end point. Okay, so actually I created, to create a concentric arc, I must click 3 times. First one is the first one is the already available arc, and the next one is the start point, and the next one is the end point. That's how you have to create this. And the last type is the conic. For conic, you must first select its endpoints, and then you can determine how this conic will look like. That is, you can specify the length. Okay, these are the various types of arc options arc commands available in Creo. That's it for this video. Thank you.